What is up, guys? Welcome to the Hocus Pocus School. Today we're going to talk about how to add Pulsechain testnet to your Metamask wallet. If you guys have not added Metamask wallet to your browser extension, check out an earlier video before we go into details on how to set up a Metamask wallet. So first thing you guys want to do is come over here to your Metamask extension, let it just drop on down, and make sure that your wallet's open, type in your password and whatnot, etc., etc. Now, once that has been set up, the next thing we are going to do is type in Pulsechain testnet right into Google. And so the first thing that's going to come up is pulsechain.com. We have the Pulsechain Explorer, validators and staking, and Pulsechain testnet, Uniswap interface, etc., etc. Now on the second one, we have Pulsechain-testnet-Gitlab. We're going to click on that, and it's going to pop up with a page that has the Pulsechain code. If you guys are interested in checking out the Pulsechain code, definitely feel free to use this URL at the top of this page. Now, when we scroll down, there's a great step-by-step on how to add Pulsechain testnet to Metamask. And so if you guys want to read a little bit more, check it out down here. So once we have this page set up, we have everything we need to add Pulsechain testnet to our Metamask wallet. So we're going to come over here to Metamask, have the drop down come down, and then we're going to come to this little drop down and we're going to click Add Network. Once that happens, you're going to see Metamask pop up, and it's going to ask for network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer URL. And so when we come back to this page, all that stuff is just right there, ready to rock and roll. So we're just going to do a quick copy and paste. Just keep on going back. Come over here, get our chain ID. Grab the currency symbol, and then grab the block explorer URL since it's already there, ready to go. Awesome. So we're just going to click save. And once we click save, then we'll have our Pulsechain testnet pop right up on the Metamask. We can close out of this, and just to double check it, we're going to click our little Metamask extension drop down, and then it's going to say right there, Pulsechain testnet 2B. It's going to tell you how much test pulse you have, and it's also going to list any other tokens in your wallet. So that's it for the introductory video.